Today we're making an easy, no-bake chocolate salami using Maria cookies and creamy chocolate fudge. No oven, no stress, just mix, roll, and chill. You only need a few simple ingredients: Maria cookies, chocolate fudge, butter, and powdered sugar. Start by breaking the Maria cookies into medium chunks. Don't crush them too fine. We want texture in apple. Now open the chocolate fudge and transfer it into a heat-safe bowl. To melt it properly, use a double boiler. Place a pot with a little water on low heat, then set a bowl on top without touching the water. Add butter and mix until everything becomes silky and smooth. This helps create a rich fudge texture. Now add the cookie pieces into the chocolate mixture and gently mix until every piece is fully coated. Now place the mixture onto aluminum foil and shape it into a tight log, like a salami. Unwrap and coat it with powdered sugar for the classic look. Slice it to reveal the beautiful cookie and chocolate pattern inside. Simple, no bake, and perfect with coffee or dessert time.